So you want to hug your driver's sidewall against this rock, okay? As much as you can. You're going to use it to slide. A little bit less. A little bit less. Yeah, come. A little bit passenger. Good. That's good. Come forward straight now. Keep your wheel straight. Good. You got him? It's all about sliding, okay?
Yep.
Controlled.
Just like I did, same thing.
No, passenger. Little bit, right there.
Just hold that. I actually like it. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
A little more passenger. Right there. Nice and easy. Yep.
Slow.
Slow.
Yeah, buddy.
Easy. That's the rock that was.
Yeah, that was on your bumper. See how it's
okay.
catching?
Just your front bumper. You don't need it. Nice and easy.
Looks good, brother.
Don't turn passenger because you're gonna swing your bedside to the rock.
He's got guards. There you go. Relentless, baby. Go more passenger. So you're not your center's not gonna. Yeah. Hug passenger a little bit more if you want to.